Hey everyone, welcome back. Did base stop working right after you updated your iPhone? This is extremely common after major iOS releases, and the fix is in your App Store itself and iPhone settings. First, do a full head start of your iPhone. Hold the side button and the volume down button together. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflicts with app and a clean restart resolves the majority of them. After reinstalling, open the App Store and then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then scroll down through your account information to find the base in the list of available updates. Crypto wallet apps like Base release compatibility patches within a day or two of major iOS releases. Tap update right away if one is waiting. If no update is showing yet and the app is still broken, go to settings, then tap general, then go to iPhone storage, then scroll down until you find base app, tap on it, and then tap offload. Then once you offload it, reinstall the app from the App Store completely fresh. Remember, your wallet and funds live on the blockchain and are recorded through your recovery phase, not stored inside the app itself, so offloading and reinstalling never affects your balances. All you've gotta do is restart iPhone, check App Store for base update, offload and reinstall if needed. Your funds stay safe either way because they live on chain, not in the app, and that's it. Subscribe.